Yep, Tuesday morning, Coachella Valley, October 31st. And this little storm front came in and they started spraying it as it was blowing in, and they spraying it all night. And you can see down towards the Salton Sea there. Looking east. Chemtrails going through. Big chemtrail right there going through. And it's hard to make out the jets up in the cloud cover up here, but you can see all the chemtrail clouds above these darker water vapor clouds, like right there. All that white wispy stuff that's above these darker clouds is all chemtrail, spread out chemtrails. So there's one going through way down there. Like I said, they like the Salton Sea for some reason. One just spotted there, turned it on and turned it off. So they're keeping it from raining here in Southern California. Yesterday there was hardly any jets going through, and then they started when this little storm system came in. So, be nice to get a little bit of rain, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Yeah, you can see the water vapor clouds are down pretty low. And then you can see the white stuff above it, which is all just metallic stuff they're spraying. Here's one that just went through there. See that little line right there? That's it's a chemtrail right there. Can't see the jet because it's above the cloud cover. The cloud cover's just pretty low down, so it's probably about, I don't know, 10,000 feet, 10,000 feet maybe. The mountain up here is almost 10,000 feet, and it's just coming over the top of the mountain, so it's down to about 15,000 feet, this cloud cover here. That's my report here from the Coachella Valley. Geoengineering continues.